Okay, the only thing I've done so far is to grease the inner bearing seat. And brand new crank. Let's see here, we gotta flip this case over. Actually, let's just wipe the bearing off to get some of the ice off. It's been sitting in the freezer for about a week now. All right, so that's clean. All right, bearing goes, the crank goes right through there. Make sure that we line up. All right, that's lined up. First thing we do is we put on the collar with the nut that secures it. Put the long handle piece on. The body of the tool, it's got a little notch in it, so you got to line it up on the tool. There we go. And I found that these two little metal rods come in very handy. So we're going to put the nut on the end of this. Oops. Let's see. And the reason I'm using the rods is underneath. I'll take a picture of it after, but there's not an even surface for the tool to push on. So I'm going to put these on here. Okay. Make sure the connecting rod is sticking out the opening. And it's starting to go in. I could probably do the whole thing by hand, but it's probably faster just use a wrench. Now, what I learned on the first one is to hold the connecting rod where you need it. I want to do the rest of it by hand just to make sure I don't over tighten it. That looks like she's done. Let's give it one more twist just to make sure. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, that's it. That's flush. I can see it.